To use your EBT card at Walmart self-checkout, start by gathering your items and proceeding to the self-checkout lanes. Look for the EBT payment option on the screen, usually found under the cash or card payment options. Select the EBT payment option to begin the process. Next, insert your EBT card into the card reader, making sure it is properly aligned and inserted. The machine will prompt you to enter your PIN, so enter your 4-digit PIN number to verify your identity. If you are using a card with a chip, you may need to wait for the machine to read the chip before entering your PIN. After entering your PIN, select the account you want to use, either cash or food benefits. Choose the correct account based on the items you are purchasing. The self-checkout system will then calculate the total cost of your eligible items and deduct the amount from your EBT account. If you have any non-EBT eligible items, such as toiletries or household goods, you will need to pay for these items separately using a different payment method, such as cash or credit card. The self-checkout system will prompt you to select a different payment option for these items. Once you have completed the payment process, the self-checkout system will print out a receipt showing the items you purchased and the amount deducted from your EBT account. Make sure to take your receipt and your items, and verify that the transaction was successful before leaving the self-checkout area. It is also important to note that you should always keep your EBT card and PIN secure, and never share your PIN with anyone. If you have any issues with your EBT card or the self-checkout system, you can contact the Walmart customer service desk for assistance. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and securely use your EBT card at Walmart self-checkout.